In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Upwork client account for 2025. Upwork is a fantastic platform for hiring top freelance talent with confidence, and I'll guide you through the process of setting up your account to get you started. To begin, let's navigate to Upwork's homepage. So open your preferred web browser and type in upwork.com. This will take you to the site where you can begin the process of finding and hiring skilled freelancers. On the home page, you'll see a range of options designed to help you get the most out of Upwork. For now, let's focus on the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled Sign Up. Click on that, and it will direct you to the registration page. Once you're there, you'll need to make a choice between signing up as a freelancer or a client. For our purposes, you're going to want to select I'm a client. This option will allow you to post jobs and hire professionals that match your project needs. Now simply click on Join as a Client. This will bring you to a new page where you can proceed with the creation of your account. At this stage, Upwork offers several options to sign up. To keep things streamlined, let's click on Continue with Google. Utilizing your Google account makes the sign-up process efficient and allows for easy login management. Privacy is important, so rest assured that Upwork's integration with Google is secure. Next, you're going to need to follow the steps for verifying your account. Verification is vital as it ensures the security and integrity of your account. On Upwork, this process may involve confirming your email address and providing additional information to ensure that your account is set up properly. If you're unsure about any step, don't worry. Upwork provides clear guidelines during the verification process. Plus, you can always refer to their help section for common inquiries. And there you have it. You've successfully created an Upwork client account ready for use. Whether you're looking to hire a web developer, graphic designer, or writer, you're now equipped to begin exploring Upwork's vast pool of freelance talent. Remember, when posting a job, clarity is key. Make sure to detail your project requirements, budget, and timeline to attract the best talent for your needs. I hope you found this guide helpful. With your new client account, you are all set to connect with professionals worldwide and see your projects come to life. Thank you for watching, and happy hiring!